Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is a grocery haul, and it's the same grocery haul collab that I did last month. It's hosted by Tiffany from Small Town 6 and Jessica Marrows from the Jessica Marrows channel. I will link those ladies' channels below, and I will also have a link to the playlist. So if you like grocery hauls, once you're done watching my video, you can go ahead and check out the playlist and see what all the other ladies got. It's very interesting for me because there are ladies from, well, there's ladies across the US, there's somebody from Australia the last 2 times that I paid attention. So it's really fun to see what everybody gets. So this month I changed the way I shop a little bit. So I've just been doing weekly shopping and kind of shopping my cupboards and fridge and freezer and planning my meals. So each week I just get whatever I need for those particular meals that I decide to do. So the hauls are a little bit smaller. So let me share what I got today. So as I say, I didn't get anything that I don't need for this next week of life. So it's a pretty small haul, but the prices still make the haul ridiculously expensive, because now that I look at the things, it's crazy. Anyhow, so I got this bottle, and I'm kind of, this is one of those things that I'm kind of regretting, like, why did I buy this bottle? Anyhow, so I got this bottle for baby boy. I got him some mango. I like, this is a brand, a Jamaican brand out of Montego Bay actually, and I've always liked to support them. So when I saw that they had baby purees, I was pretty excited about that. So he doesn't eat baby food like this, like pre-packaged processed baby food often. This is just for when he goes to daycare, because it's easier to pack and go. It's just for the convenience, for me as well as for them. They don't have to heat up anything or whatever. So that's why it's just these 3 little items. All right, I'm winded. So I bought this 40 count pack of tea. We normally buy like 2 40 count packs of, 2 20 count packs. So I saw this one and it worked out a little bit cheaper, so I bought this instead. And then I have my dozen eggs back here. And these, I just wanted to try these. So they only had these 2 flavors. So I said, let me try them. One is caramel and one is coconut cappuccino. It's actually this one that I saw. A person said, oh, let me try it. And then I saw they had this flavor. But I really want to just try this one. Then we have Tang drink mixes. Just, you're not gonna use more than 3 for the week. I still haven't gotten my big bag of seasoning. This is Diner's Choice. I've never used it before, but they didn't have the Island Spice brand in the bags. They just had the ones in the jars, and I don't need to buy the jar. I've been saying that normally I buy the big one that fills up the jar, but I've only seen those at Mega Mart, and I am yet to reach Mega Mart, so still buying these little packs, and I've said that from a while now. I bought some dried thyme. I bought some of these beans, and the basket that they had them in the supermarket, it had red peas in there, it had gungo peas in there. I was trying my best to just get the beans, but I still ended up with some red peas and some gungo, but that's fine. And then I have some actual red peas, so I just scooped some out and they weighed it at the cashier. 1 pack of Milo. I've never had this before. Lord, it's watery. I'm not used to these things being so watery. Oh my. Anyhow, I decided I was gonna try it. I didn't do this before, so I didn't realize it was so watery. I like when it's thick and it's just the things blended up in there. Anyhow, some ketchup, some non-dairy dry creamer, a bottle of vinegar, some shampoo, baking soda, 2 batteries for my remote in my bedroom. I haven't been watching TV in there because of that. And then for the meats, I have some chicken, some mixed parts, some beef stew, some saltfish, and some turkey neck. So the beans are for the turkey neck. Alright, so that is it for my little haul, this little haul. So in the next clip you will see another haul from another week. Okay guys, so for this haul I got these crazy guava corn crackers. These are so nice, but they're super expensive, so I only buy them when they're on sale. Got some beans for rice and peas on Sunday, some mint tea, some broad beans, my little packs of seasoning, again still haven't bought the seasoning, some tang, some burger buns. These are the bigger ones because hubby's burgers are big. A dish sponge, some eggs, 1 dozen eggs, and some food for baby to take to daycare. So I have the mixed cereal, and then just some cereal for a quick morning, and some formula, some juice for him, this one in particular to mix his vitamins in because they do have a very strong taste, so I mix them into mango juice. And then some fruit purees, again for daycare, not for while we're at home. I'll just mash fruits and give to him. I have some pasta sauce, 4 cans of tuna, 2 cans of regular tuna and 2 cans of the smoke flavor. And then I have 3 cans of mixed vegetables, 3 cans of baked beans. You hear me in the background, that's hubby's burgers, some saltfish, some Spur 3 barbecue sauce, a can of corned beef, a mix of dairy-free milk. So we have the cashew, the almond, and the oat. They had that special, so I bought it. And then I have some turkey neck as usual, you know, the turkey necks go with the beans. And then I have some minced beef, which is gonna go with the pasta sauce. And then I have franks and a bag of mixed parts. And that is it for this little haul. I did go ahead and get also that's not shown here. I have detergent and fabric softener. So here I already have one of these Boss burgers, but I think there's only one patty left in there. And then we have some regular burgers for the kids, which I got those in another haul that I didn't show on camera. And I know that I don't usually show produce, so the reason is that I buy some produce from a gentleman that comes through our community on a Saturday. So this is usually the typical fare: 1 pound of onion, 1 pound of sweet peppers, 1 pound of carrot, that sort of thing. And we have the same standing order each week, and those things take me through the week. Then also my parents will send me stuff, or they'll bring me stuff, or I'll go visit them and I'll get stuff as well because I live in the country. See, in this particular day, mommy sent me some stuff and I got cookies that she made as well. So from my parents, I usually get these boxes of produce. This is a naseberry. I have a couple of those in there, and you can clearly see I have ripe bananas and green bananas. So some of these bananas are for ripening. The one to the left of your screen that's not out of the box yet is for ripening, and then the one to the right of the box is for cooking. So we cook those green. This is plantain. I have 2 of those in here, thanks mommy and daddy. And then I have xoxo, or I think it's called Christophine in some islands, more of that. And then I have that's a green banana. And then guys, I'm sorry for the noise in the background, baby boy is playing with something. Yeah, so then there's half of a breadfruit, and I'm gonna cook this, boil it, I mean, for those who are not familiar with these foods. And here is cucumber, and then some sweet peppers. All of this came from mommy and daddy. They live in the country. They have a naseberry tree, more naseberries. They have naseberries, they have bananas. This is string bean, more string beans. And then they have, this is coconut. We have coconut trees, so that's shredded coconut, and they gave me some just how they got it out of the shell. And then I have 3 heads of cabbage here, and more coconut. That is always sending coconuts. From the other day, I've been making coconut milk myself. If you made it this far, thank you so much for spending 12 minutes of your life with me, and I'll see you right here in the next 3 days for another video. Bye.